Meaning of King's Bench.
King's Bench.
King's Bench.
King's Bench.
King's Bench. King's Bench refers to an English court of law that was historically presided over by the monarch himself or herself. It was originally created in the Middle Ages to hear criminal cases and became one of the 4 central courts of common law in England. The court had jurisdiction over matters such as treason, felonies, and disputes between subjects and the crown. In modern times, the name King's Bench has been replaced by the Queen's Bench Division, but this division still hears some of the most important and high-profile cases in England.